Hello guys, Mehul here back in with another new video, and I am back to back recording two videos now. Now today I have a tool that have a lots of tool into it. Well, not this is not a tool. This is a site. Okay, so it has a lot of tool like background generator, pattern generator, blob generator, CSS background generator, blah blah blah. But what is the most important thing that about it that I wanna show you, that is specifically the pattern generator, because it have a lots of customization into it, and I seriously loved it. Though it has all of those things, we will look into that as well. So let's just get started and see what we have today. So today we are at superdesign.co, and as you can see, like the menu hero title is always changing and let us know what are the things it can do. So let's just give it a look over here. So it has background generator, pattern generator, blob generator, CSS backgrounds, gradient, color generator, and shades. Now you may ask, you have seen all of those things in other sites too. What's new in it? What's new in it? You have to discover it yourself. Like what is the new thing? But what I seriously love about this is this particular tool, that is pattern generator. So as you can see, first of all, no one gives us this much of customization in terms of canvas size. Point one, you can change the density, that is obvious. You can change the zooming size, that is also obvious. Okay, you can set color for four of the patterns, we can also get that. And you can select the background color. So those are those obvious things that every site provides. Okay, now here is the thing, you can control how much row you want to show or how much column you want to show. First thing. Second, you can randomize or like make it just a pattern. So randomizing thing is obviously there over there. And another thing, like if you are clicking on two row two column, you can simply select one of the design and change it. And they have a tons of design over there. Okay, suppose I want to change it to this one. I will specifically click this one and change it to this. Suppose I want to change this one as well. Okay, so I will click on this one. It's creating things for me. Let's change this one as well. Let's choose this one. This one will go look better with it. And let's choose the last one, that is this one. So these are the four patterns I have chosen. Now okay, let's not do that. Now if I want to zoom into, I can do that. If I want to stop randomizing, I can do that as well. Now I can change every color that I want. Okay, so suppose for the first color it is being green. Suppose I don't like that color, I will turn it into blue and make the secondary clear color a darker blue. So as you can see, our pattern is already changed in darker shade of color. So you can do all of it. And what's the like freakingly amazing part of this particular website is, you can upload your own file to make pattern out of it. How much great is that? Seriously great. Now when you're done with making it, you can simply click on export to export it as svg, png or jpg. And you can simply copy the svg as well. Like you don't have to download it, you can simply copy it and paste it anywhere you like. So this is what I really liked about this tool. This is like hyper customizable. No one gives you something like this. Like I have seen many of the website while going through like multiple tools provider. Okay, but no one actually provides something like this. And if we go to other tools as well, like you may not like this one, but this is really simple. But suppose background generator, same thing you are getting over here. You can choose the pattern. Suppose like I like the blurry ones. You can choose the color, you can choose the blur amount, You can choose the shapes and you can choose the ratio. How cool is that, right? Suppose let's go to something else. I don't want to go to blob generator. Blob generator is simple, like really simple. We're getting simple things over here. So let's not go to blob generator. Rather, uh, okay, gradient generator is also simple. Okay, there's nothing much to it. Color generator. So in the color generator section, as you can see, it has selected one color palette and it is showing you every possible color combination with this color palette with uh 60 30 10. I think so. 60-30-10 ratio, I think. Yes, 60-30-10 ratio. Right? See, 60-30-10 ratio. All of it. How great is that? If you want to see mobile view, it will produce that for you. No problem. If you want to change it, like simply click on refresh to change it. If you want to pick every one of them by your own hand, click on it, just change it. No problem. This is seriously cool that many of the color picker or color generators still don't provide. Though I would say they could have uh, put little more focus into the color picker as well. Then it could have shown the all of the those things, like all of the preview things. Though for color picker, I would say the best tool or best site to choose is Tailwind color generators, because they have the uh, best color picker so far. Though it's specifically for Tailwind, I know that, but though they have the best color picker so far. See, you can see all of this, and if I want to edit this palette as well, I can get a tons of different thing to edit as well. Okay, I can add another family over here. Suppose, wait, sorry, pardon me. I can add another family over here and edit it. Suppose, like, wait, let's select it, and okay, it will change the upper ones. Yeah, okay, no problem. See, I can create something like this as well, and you can see UI view in the both of the examples as well. So for specifically color picker, I would suggest this, but though it don't show you the colors with like different colors of the palette, but still I think it would like, yeah, it this particular site could have taken something from this and put it into their website. So that's the thing. And now, last but not the least, इसको भी देख ही लेते हैं, shades generator. This is something similar to this. Okay, so we have color shades. How many shades you want to generate, it can generate that as well. You want to choose a different kind of shade, like blackish one, you can do that. There's nothing much to it. Okay, and you can simply click on every one of them to copy their. But what I liked about this website is like mostly this one, pattern generator and color generator for the web UI part. Though pattern generator is the best tool of this site, to be honest. Okay, so that's it about this website. uh, please visit it, use it. I know why not, because obviously it's great. Use it yourself and let me know how much you do you like it or not. Rather than that, if you like my videos in general, please do subscribe to this channel. And if you know about some of this website, some of the website like this, please let me know about all of them so I can feature them in my future video and then use it myself as well. And if you like my videos in general, like I am repeating this sentence, I know, but I should have completed it. Please give this video a thumbs up, comment down below which portions are you liking, and share it with your friends, because that will help me to grow my YouTube channel as well. So that's it, bye.